Class 12th, I welcome you in today's English literature lecture. Today we'll continue the lesson The Homecoming, its 12th part. As all of you know, in the previous lecture, I have already given two important paragraphs for reference, context and explanation. I am continuing the same with the third paragraph. It was an immense relief to the mother to get rid of Fatik. She had a prejudice against the boy, and no love was lost between the two brothers. She was in daily fear that he would either drown Makhan some day in the river, or break his head in a fight, or run him into some danger or other. Reference: these lines have been taken from the lesson The Homecoming, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Context: Fatik's maternal uncle had come to his village. He had come to see his sister after a very long time. In the meantime, his sister's husband had died. She had two sons, Fatik and Makhan. Her brother asked her about them. She told him that Fatik had become a trouble for her. Now the explanation. Fatik's maternal uncle had put a proposal to take Fatik off to Calcutta with him. He would get an education there with his own children. Fatik was very happy at this proposal. The mother also felt much relief to hear this. She wanted to get rid of Fatik. She could never think in favor of Fatik. He always quarreled with his younger brother and never cared even for his mother. There was no love between these two brothers. She had a fear that Fatik would push Makhan into the river in anger some day, or he would hit him hard in his head. She always thought that Fatik had become a danger to Makhan. So, she wanted that it would be better if he was taken away to Calcutta. On the other hand, she was a little irritated to see that Fatik was also happily ready to go there. Now the next paragraph. Yet at this very age, when in his heart of hearts a young lad most craves for recognition and love, and he becomes the devoted slave of anyone who shows him consideration, but none dare openly love him, for that would be regarded as undue indulgence and therefore bad for the boy. So, what with scolding and chiding, he becomes very much like a stray dog that has lost his master. Now the references. These lines have been taken from the lesson The Homecoming, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Context: Fatik's mother thought him to be a trouble. So, when Fatik's maternal uncle put the proposal to take him to Calcutta, she agreed. Fatik happily went with his maternal uncle, but his aunt did not like this. She took Fatik to be an unnecessary burden on her. Explanation: Fatik was 14 years old. At this age, a boy is neither a child nor is he valued as an adult. So he feels that he is being ignored. He feels that nobody loves him now and nobody gives him any value in the family. But he greatly desires love at this age. If anyone shows any sympathy with him, he becomes a devoted slave to him. But the others do not want to make a show of any love or sympathy. They fear that they would be considered indulged with any wrong motive. So, the situation remains bad for the boy. On the contrary, if he gets scoldings, it becomes all the worse for the boy. His condition becomes like a dog of the street whose master has turned him out of the house. Now the fifth paragraph. There was no more backward boy in the whole school than Fatek. He gaped and remained silent when the teacher asked him a question, and like an overladen ass, patiently suffered all the blows that came down on his back. When other boys were out at play, he stood wistfully by the window and gazed at the roofs of the distant houses. And if by chance he espied children playing on the open terrace of any roof, his heart would ache with longing. The references. These lines have been taken from the lesson The Homecoming, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Context. In the village, Fatek's mother was tired of him. As proposed by his maternal uncle, he went to live with him in Calcutta, but he was the undesired guest in his aunt's house. He found himself much confined and suffocated. Now he was longing for his village home. Explanation. Fatek was admitted in a school for the education, but his condition was very bad there. He was the most backward boy in the school. He could not grasp anything there. The teacher asked him a question and he was never in a position to give an answer. He only opened his mouth, but no word came out of it. He looked like an utterly foolish boy. The teacher beat him with his blows on his back, and he suffered them. His condition was like an overladen ass who suffers all the beatings patiently. When it was lunchtime, all the other boys went out for playing, but not Fatek. He only stood by the window of his class. He remained standing, lost in thoughts. He looked steadily at the roofs of the house, which were at distance. If by chance he saw the boys playing there, he felt a deep longing for his own village life, and his heart ached. तो बच्चों देखिए, ये थे आपके आगे के रेफरेंस, कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन. इन्हें अच्छी तरह से पढ़िए, उसको समझिए और अपनी कॉपी में, क्लासो कॉपी में ज़रूर लिख लीजिए. लिख करके इसे याद करिए. इन्हीं में से और इसी तरह से आपके एग्ज़ाम्स में भी आएंगे. तो आज के लिए इतना ही बस बच्चों. बाकी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में लेकर आएंगे. सो थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन.